Your Honor, I have spoken to Mr. Cox about this. This is a relatively new case. I filed an appearance in October. This is our first appearance in circuit court. I would like a little more time to talk with me about this.
I mean, what are we waiting on? This has been sitting here since October.
I don't think he's really understanding some of the things that are involved as far as I believe that this was not returning the car to a rental property. They do have the car back. Certain communications that we've had, and I don't think he's quite fully understanding what the issue is.
So what's going to happen in the next month that hasn't happened in the last 3?
So I'm just hoping that he will have a better understanding of it. Maybe I can try to explain it.
Let's see if we can go through this here. Rolla, is there a plea offer?
There is, Judge. If he could have paid the restitution still owed to Enterprise in the amount of $2,632.91, reduced to a misdemeanor.
So what does the plea agreement require in terms of the repayment of the restitution?
Restitution at or before sentencing. The defendant was aware of this, at least his counsel was, as far as I know, back on September 19th of last year. So he's had some time to think about it. I don't know what there is not to understand.
Your Honor, I guess I don't have that offer. Mr. Rolla mentioned that it was back on September 19th. However, I didn't file an appearance until October, so I don't know if he had a prior attorney.
Well, Mr. Brown, I mean, is there some reason why you wouldn't have talked to the prosecutor to find out what plea offer was before hearing it on the record here today, since you've been on this case since October?
I'm looking through my notes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor, I did not see anything, and that is completely on me, Your Honor.
Well, Judge, my understanding that offer was way back in Mr. Court where he got the circuit court.
I don't care. He's been on the case since October. You find out what the plea offer is. I mean, basic representation to me. So, Mr. Brown, I mean, I'm going to adjourn this for today. Detecting a pattern in your cases here where your clients are unhappy with your representation because they don't feel like you're properly advising them of what's going on with the case. And the more I hear that complaint, the more it starts to have some validity. This is completely unacceptable for an attorney to have been on a case since October 14th, to not have any clue, regardless of whether the plea offer was made before that or not, of what the current plea offer is, and to have been able to advise your client. No wonder he's confused. He doesn't have his lawyer telling him what's going on with his case. It's unacceptable. And I'm not going to keep adjourning cases. This keeps happening, and to the extent it continues, I'm going to take some action, whether that's with the state bar, whether that's with MIDC, but I'm not going to keep wasting my time having clients come in, not knowing what they're doing, having to adjourn hearings. I'm just giving you a warning right now. Mr. Cox, none of this is on you. I'm not, in any way holding this against you. Mr. Brown, you need to talk to Mr. Cox. You need to explain the implications of the plea agreement. And when we're back next, I expect you to have done what you need to do to advise Mr.